Hello guys, today in this video I will show you how to use MEMS microphone.
Hello guys, today in this video I will show how to use I2S microphone and speaker with ESP32 microcontroller on Arduino. We are make a voice record and play project using these two components. Let's begin. First, looking closely component in this video. First, we are use INMP441 MEMS microphone. Using I2S communication, also it's digital not analog, perfect choice for record application and cheap. Second component, MAX98357A I2S amplifier and speaker. I choose 0.5 watt, but you can choose until 3 watt. Third, Esp32S3 for a microcontroller, but you know one thing, my development board has a 8 megabytes PSRAM and using this spec in Arduino code. Fourth, display I use ST7789 display resolution is 280 by 240. If you don't know how to use this display with ESP32 live wiring, user setup configuration. Watch this video, I will explain everything about that. Link in description. And lastly, tactile button, 10K resistor, 1-up capacitor, and jumper cables. Let's continuous with connection. Display connection is inside the tutorial videos so that I'm not telling again. I assumed you are already watched. Microphone and amplifier, both of them use an I2S communication. In this time we have two choice. First, using same I2S pin, second choice is separate different I2S connection. When choose same I2S configuration, I take an error, not encode directly on device. Occurred too much noise when in record or playing audio. So I use second version. I am separate audio amp and mic module. I defined different GPIO pins. We start audio amplifier LRC pin goes to 8, BLCK pin goes to 3, DIN pin goes to 16, gain goes to ground. As you can see other gain control option, you can choose any one. SD pin goes to 46, GND to GND, and VCC to 3.3 volt. At the speaker positive to positive, negative to negative. Continuous with microphone, LR pin goes to ground. WS pin goes to 17, SCK pin goes to 18, SD pin goes to 15, GND to GND, and VCC to 3.3 volt. We adding capacitor between GND and VCC. Next step buttons, signal pin goes to 5, and also this pin connected to 3.3 volt with 10K resistor for input pull-up. Notice if display pins using I2S or button pins, change display connections any free GPIO on ESP32. Development board. Now Arduino code. Actually, we don't need change anything. Maybe setting your display rotation from 0 to 3 when looking libraries. We use TFT ESP. I'm talking about this library in display tutorial video. And the other I2S.H, it came with ESP32 board, we don't need to install. Code section is it. Important things, tool configuration, choose ESP32 development board, select right COM port, select flash size. Most important things in this section, PSRAM. Open it. If you have 8 megabytes of RAM, choose OPI or select QSPI. This project working with PSRAM, do not forget to open. Everything is done, click to upload. When uploading is done, you can see on the screen, microphone test, and underline, press the button to record. If you don't see anything or white screen, must check again display wiring and tutorial video. If everything working correctly when I press the button, scene recording screen, I limited to record only 5 seconds. If you want decrease or increase this time on code section, when record is done, ESP32 automatically play recorded sound on speaker. Let's shave fun. Like and share this video and hit that subscribe button. Write and comment what will you see in next video. See you.
Like and share this video and hit the subscribe button. Hello guys, today in this video I will show you how to use MEMS microphone.
Hello guys, today in this video I will show you how to use.
Let's get started. Let's begin.